location, the victim's home, place of employment. And no firearms.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
2 seconds.
Right here.
Go this side. Where it says Circuit County Judge. Sorry. On the right.
Down here? Okay. Like this? All right, thanks. Okay. All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Next one is Chandler.
Judge, do you prefer to sign the pretrial orders or do you prefer us to type them?
Do you want, can I sign it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Next one, Your Honor, is Megan Chandler.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Chandler, you are here on a failure to appear on a battery charge. Do you have a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to get a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. What's her bond set at this point?
For the case.
It's $1,000. Okay. On the KPS, your bond is set at $1,000. Any other prior conditions will be reimposed. Sign anything on this one?
Are you opposing pretrial release?
Yeah, whatever the conditions were previously. She failed to appear. I'm assuming she's already bonded out.
Your Honor, I never even received a subpoena. It says that right in the paperwork.
I'm sorry.
I never received a subpoena. It even says it on the case paperwork that I was unable to be located. I never even knew about the court date beforehand until the police arrested me for failure to appear.
Put on pretrial release.
She was never put on pretrial release. Okay. All right. What's recommendations on pretrial?
The state would ask for no weapons and no contact as conditions of pretrial release, along with the $1,000 bond that was on the KPS.
Thank you. All right. Okay. All right, pretrial conditions will be no contact with the victim and no weapons or firearms. Nope. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Next, Your Honor, is Charity Frazier.
Ms. Frazier,
Good morning.
good morning. Okay, why does that keep happening? Okay. I need to scroll down first, please. Nope, I mean, okay, there we go. All right, ma'am, you're charged with discharge of a firearm in a residential area, first degree misdemeanor and disorderly intoxication, a second degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. All right, I will find that there's probable cause for the charge. Your bond is set at $1,000 for the first count, $500 for the second count. And conditions will be don't return to that location. And no weapons or firearms.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Lyric Gilbert.
Ms. Gilbert, you're charged with petty theft in the first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no,
I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. I've previously read your probable cause affidavit. I do find probable cause. And can I see the pretrial recommendation, please? All right, your bond is set at $1,000. Do not return to the event location. This was Target, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I'm sorry. I had a Target and a Walmart that I had read earlier today. All right, so don't go to any Targets in the state of Florida, okay, ma'am?
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Tony Heller.
Say it again.
Tony Heller.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Heller, you're charged with a violation of probation. Do you have an attorney already?
No, Your Honor.
Can you,
Sorry.
were you talking to me?
Oh, no, you're good.
Okay, that's fine. All right. All right, can you afford to hire an attorney, ma'am?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. On you. I'm probable cause for the violation. I'll be okay, sir, no bond, right?
About to, they don't get on.
Right, okay. I'm
You
just
just
checking.
for this court case.
Thank you, sir. All right. All right, ma'am, you'll be held no bond, and what's your next court date?
December the 15th.
Okay, your next court date is December 15th, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Vivian Holder.
Ms. Holder, you've been picked up on a warrant out of another jurisdiction out of Hillsborough.
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Is that a Hills?
Right, out of Hillsborough.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and that's a no bond, so we'll notify them that that we have you, and they'll make arrangements to pick you up. Do they bring her back?
Yes, ma'am. If she's still in custody, they'll bring her back, December 4th at 1
Okay.
to bring her.
All right, so if they don't get you and you're still in custody with us, by December 4th at 1, they'll bring you back to check your status, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Mika Hunt.
All right. Ms. Hunt, you're charged with possession of drug paraphernalia and possession, first degree misdemeanor, possession of methamphetamine, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. And probable cause for the charge. The misdemeanor, the bond is set at $1,000, and on count two, it's set at $5,000. Can I see pretrial conditions, please?
She also has a BOP and a child support.
Oh, okay. All right, you also have a violation of probation, ma'am. You have no bond on that. And then, is there a purge, Ms. Lawrence?
Yeah, for DRB, $500.
Okay, and you also have a child support warrant. The purge amount is $500. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Cindy Pampin.
Ms. Pinkman, you're charged with violation of probation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you don't have a bond.
She can get a PD if she want an attorney.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. And you'll be held no bond, and your next court date is
12/1 at 12:45.
December 1st at 12:45, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Rebecca Robbins.
Robinstein.
All right. Yeah. All right, Ms. Robinstein, you're here for failing to appear for your arraignment. Your bond on the capias was already set at $500.
I never received that court date. I went to the original court date that was on the paperwork.
Yes, ma'am. Can you afford a lawyer?
I'm on SSI.
I'm sorry?
I'm on SSI.
So is that a no?
Huh?
Are you saying no, you cannot afford a lawyer?
No,
Thank you. Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. When will her court date be?
Our next court date would be December 12th.
Yes, I don't have any of the information. I just know that another judge found probable cause to issue this warrant. This capias. So your bond is set at $500, ma'am. I pointed the PD in. Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you.
Next, Your Honor, is Cheryl Sharp.
Okay, can you scroll down, please? All right. Ma'am, you're charged with simple assault and second degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
And that's the same charge, from the first time. I didn't do anything. And, yeah, I didn't do anything, and they said that I would just come and see you all, and then I would be, released to go home.
Okay. All right, ma'am, do you have a lawyer?
I get confused about, well, now, I don't want to say confused, but,
Ma'am, can you afford to hire a lawyer?
can I afford to hire a lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right, based on some of the responses I'm getting, I'm gonna go ahead and provisionally appoint the public defender. If you hire someone else, you can hire anyone that you choose to be your lawyer, ma'am. Sorry. Thank you. You can hire anyone you choose, but for right now, you're gonna have the Office of the Public Defender, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right. Oh, she has a violation of community control too. Okay, that's why I need to see the charges first, please.
You can look at my screen.
No, it is.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
Thank you,
you,
that's
speedo's going out. Are you done yet? Take seat. Take seat. All right, so your bond is $250 on the simple assault and you're held without bond on your violation.
I didn't do a violation.
Be quiet, just listen.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Alright.
Have a nice
Only
day.
thing I
Step
said
on it,
was
step
something
on it.
I do
Go,
for
go, go.
it. Yeah,
Step
to
on
make
it.
some
Bye,
arrests.
bye.
I didn't do nothing.
Go. Next should be Heather Smith, Your Honor. Hey, dude, you got that 151.
Ms. Smith,
Yes.
you have a child support warrant. And is there a purge, Ms. Lauren?
Yeah, before
It's $400 is the purge on that. You also are charged with driving with license suspended or revoked, a first degree misdemeanor. And you have, what is this arrest warrant, M2? Is that the child support warrant?
As a child.
Okay, all right, thank you. Ma'am, do you have a lawyer?
No, I don't.
Can you afford to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Your bond is $1,000 on the driving of suspended license, and as I said, that your child support purge is $400.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next is Teresa Stansel. Take a seat.
Yeah, I mean, I guess they told, must have told the jail or something. Yeah, I read it. I was like, it's what. Is that where each one of us?
Ms. Stansel, you're charged with destroying or tampering with physical evidence, a felony in the third degree, possession of cocaine, a felony in the third degree, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a misdemeanor in the first degree. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Oh, hey.
Scroll. I'll find probable cause for the charges. Here. On the tampering, bond we set at $5,000. On the paraphernalia, it'll be $1,000, and possession of cocaine, $5,000.
I gotta use the bathroom. I don't wanna be up there.
Are there any recommended pretrial conditions? No, okay. Thank you.
You done?
Stansel, you can go ahead and step.
Yes, ma'am, we're finished. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I gotta use the
Next is
bathroom.
Lisa Vines.
All right, ma'am is charged with possession of methamphetamine, a felony in the third degree, possession of drug paraphernalia, a misdemeanor in the first degree, and resisting an officer without violence, a misdemeanor in the first degree. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, I haven't started. I don't have a clue of all this.
Can you afford an attorney?
No, I don't guess. I don't know.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. I previously reviewed the probable cause. If I do find probable cause for the offenses, your bonds will be set at $1,000 on the resisting, $1,000 on the paraphernalia, and $5,000 on the possession of methamphetamine. Thank you.
Thanks. Last one is Renee Visor, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, you're charged with driving while license suspended or revoked, third offense, a felony in the third degree. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. I previously reviewed a probable cause affidavit, and I do find probable cause for the charge. Your bond is set at $5,000. Condition of pretrial will be no driving. Thank you.
Your Honor, I was able to get the juveniles logged on while y'all were handling that.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing that he just said. So the juvenile, we have, one that's ready.
Okay.
We want to switch over to JV.
Are they ready? Do we know, Mr. Legore, what's your case?
Judge, thank you very much. John Legore. James Edward Tyre is my client, Your Honor.
James Edward Tyre. Okay, I'll see if we can get him brought up from where he was out. What about you, Mr.
He should be.
He's right there in South County.
At Central? Okay. All right,
I appreciate your courtesy, Judge.
we'll try it. All right, Mr. Concepcion, what about you? Who are we here for?
Judge, I've got DeAndre Parker. He's a juvenile.
Oh, I only have one juvenile.
Adult, I'm sorry,
They're logged on as on the juvenile link, Your Honor, right now.
Okay, thank you. All right.
Do you want me to ask him to switch over to the adult link?
No, we can switch back. That's what normally we would do, right?
You can.
They're set up to handle the one yellow, and then when they're done with that, they'll switch to the adult link if you wanted to handle it that way.
Okay, whatever works for you guys. All right. So we're switching or no?
You want to handle the one, Mr. Legore while we have him on the line, and then we can switch to the juvenile link and.
All right, that's fine.
Thank
Take
you.
a seat. Take a seat for right now.
All right. James Tyre?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, there he is. Okay. All right.
They switch to the adult link. Yeah, one of the kids have an attorney present.
Your Honor, for purposes of first appearance, we would stipulate to the probable cause, just requesting that a reasonable bond be set. Mr. Tyre is a lifelong resident of Polk County and works in a family business.
Are you doing a limited appearance or full?
Right now, a limited appearance. Obviously, I intend to file a full appearance after I get a chance to meet with him in person.
All right, Mr. Tyre, you're charged with domestic violence, stalking, a first degree misdemeanor. Mr. Legore is here for you. He's making a limited appearance, but you can hire him to handle the rest of your case. Your bond is set at $1,000. And you'll have no contact with the victim. Don't go within 500 feet of her house, her car. Don't call her, don't text her, don't send her flowers, nothing. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. LaGuardia?
Yeah, Judge, I appreciate your courtesy a lot in letting me do this. Thank you. That's all we have. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you,
same to
John.
you.
Thank you, John.
They should be logging in with the 2 adult juveniles, Your Honor.
Thank you. I don't see anybody in chartreuse. Mr. Perkins, did you say they were gonna be logging in
They should be logging in, Your Honor.
on this link, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I was just checking that. They'll be in chartreuse, right?
He said, juvenile. I need this one because I'm the only one working today and they done called me twice.
Okay, well, while we're waiting.
Let's see if they're still on the juvenile link, and if they
Okay.
are, I'm gonna keep them there.
All right,
Because
that's
apparently
fine.
they're having problems.
If they're there, we'll switch over to them. Assuming they finally got the juvenile link up and running.
Hey, he should be joining now, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
There he is.
Okay. All right. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right. You have some adult juveniles there?
Yes, ma'am, I got both of them here. Which one would you like first?
Do you have DeAndre Parker?
Mr. Parker, absolutely good.
All right. Do we have any paperwork on you?
They do it. They're like, I'm sorry, who is this?
DeAndre Parker.
DeAndre.
Okay.
He's an adult, but he's probably still on juvenile probation because I already filed, so I don't have him. So what's his first name?
Parker.
Thank you.
All right.
Here's right here.
Thank you. All right. Good morning, Mr. Parker. You have a capias for,
Repeat.
Parker is the right information.
I got the wrong, hang on, I have the wrong thing up. All right. I'm just gonna take this. All right, you're charged with resisting an officer without violence, first degree misdemeanor, possession of alcohol by someone under 21, a second degree misdemeanor, and tampering or fabricating physical evidence, a third degree felony. I believe Mr. Concepcion is here for you.
Yes, Your Honor.
As your lawyer, okay. All right, Mr. Concepcion, anything you want to say?
Just requesting that you get bond set on these charges.
Okay, thank you. All right, there's a capias issued, so someone else has already found probable cause. We'll set the bond at 1,000 for resisting without, 250 for possession of alcohol, and 5,000 for tampering with physical evidence.
Hey, Judge, what's the case number on that capias?
25 CF 10703.
10703. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving. Take care.
Thank you. All right.
Do the actual, the juvenile.
You can bet. Did you get it done? Yeah. And you can go back. You can see.
Is this the one that?
No, this is charged as an adult.
Tomas Jimenez,
Jimenez is
the actual juvenile. Right. He should be with them, like in the hallway or something.
Okay. Well, he's here. Let's just take him right now. What's your name?
Robinson.
I didn't catch it. Robinson?
Robinson, yeah.
Thank you. All right, Paul Robinson. All right, Mr. Robinson, you had a capus for possession of a weapon or ammunition by a delinquent. And that's a second-degree felony.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have an attorney, sir?
Yes.
Yep. Who is your attorney?
I don't know his name.
Is it someone you hired or is it a public defender?
It's a public defender.
Okay. All right. Well, I will provisionally appoint the public defender on this case as well.
Wait, can you repeat it?
I will provisionally appoint the public defender on this case also,
Okay.
just in case. Sometimes they need to be appointed to each case separately. If you had one before it on a different case or on the same case, they might need to be appointed again. So just so it's clear. All right, and a capus was issued. Let's see here. All right, can I see the pretrial recommendations, please? Can I see the JJS, please? All right, your bond is set at $50,000. Conditions of, if you bond, are going to be no weapons or firearms.
Wait, can you repeat? Sorry, I think.
Bond is set at $50,000.
50,000?
Yes. And if you bond, you're not gonna have any firearms, guns, or weapons of any kind. And can be on house arrest conditions as well with GPS.
If I bond out and get on house arrest, where does it go from there?
Well, you'll go to court. Talk to your attorney. They'll explain to you what your rights and talk to you about your case. And then you can make a decision as to what direction you want to proceed.
Judge, just to confirm, these are the conditions that he would be allowed to attend, correct?
When's his next court date gonna be?
His next court date would be December 16th.
December 16th. Are you in school?
Do I go to school?
Uh-huh.
Yes, ma'am.
You go to church?
Okay, yes, not consistently, but yeah.
All right. So he can go to medical appointments, attorney appointments, and church.
Am I allowed to go to school or no?
Not for right now. You have a court date in a couple weeks. They can change it at that time if they want to.
Okay.
And then, of course, you can go to court. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Can we get Tomas Jimenez, please?
Just bring Jimenez.
Okay,
Tomas
now-
Jimenez.
Do you want me to switch the courtrooms or leave it here?
Do you have him right there?
He's right next door. He'll be here in less than a minute now.
Yes.
He's right here.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Probably since there was trouble logging in, it's better just to go ahead and do him here.
He might be
All
good.
right. Just your name's doing this.
That's fine.
Mr. Jimenez, do you need an interpreter?
Yeah, like your-
¿Necesita interpreter español?
De español.
Español, okay.
Okay. Madam Interpreter,
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
thank you.
My pleasure.
Mr. Jimenez, you're charged with failure to appear.
Señor
court
Jiménez, usted está acusado de no haber comparecido cuando tenía una fecha para ir al tribunal.
For a court date on November 26th.
Eso fue el 26 de noviembre, cuando tenía la fecha para comparecer en el tribunal.
Okay.
Ok.
You score 5 points, you'll be on straight release.
Usted califica con 5 puntos, está para salir libremente de la cárcel o de la detención.
Do you know what his next court date's gonna be?
12/5, 12/5,
Okay.
8:30 in the morning here.
Your next court date is December 5th at 8:30 in the morning.
Su próxima fecha para comparecer al tribunal es el 5 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Ok.
Okay. It's gonna be in juvenile courtroom, right?
Yes.
JV2.
PD.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Y su comparecencia va a ser en el tribunal, la corte de adolescentes, los juveniles.
Oh, okay.
Ok.
Okay. Do you have a lawyer?
¿Usted tiene un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire a lawyer?
¿Usted puede pagarle a un abogado?
No.
No.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Provisionalmente le está nombrando a la oficina del defensor público para que lo represente.
Oh, okay.
Ok.
Okay, so make sure you're here on December 5th so you don't get another warrant.
Asegúrese de comparecer en el tribunal el día 5 de diciembre para que así no emitan otra orden de arresto.
Okay.
Ok.
Find probable cause based on the pickup order.
Basado en la orden de arresto, determino que hay causa probable para su arresto.
Ok.
Ok.
All right, thank you, sir.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Ok.
Ok.
Thank you, Your Honor. I apologize for all the miscommunication delays.
That's okay, thank you. Let's see, present.
Juvenile assessment, PCSO. Assistant state attorney. Public defender.
He's not really supervised, he's strict with these.
Okay, so it's something. Sorry.
All right. So we're back to what, Highlands and
Highlands and Hardy.
Highlands and Hardy. Okay. All right. Is there anyone from Hardy? No, if there's anybody in Hardy. I figured do Hardy first because it would be shorter, but. All right, let's go to Highlands County.
Bush.
All right. Ms. Bush,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, Ms. Bush, you're charged with a violation of probation. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. I'll find probable cause for the violation. You'll be held without bond. Know when the next court date is in Highlands, or do we know that? Okay. All right. Do you have the court dates there?
Yes, ma'am. December 15th, 8:30.
Thank you. All right, as long as you can give them their date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
All right, Christian Diaz,
On Your Honor.
good morning. All right. All right, so you're charged with criminal mischief from $200 to $1,000. It's a first degree misdemeanor and burglary of a dwelling. That's a second degree felony. Do you have an attorney, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. One sec.
Yes, open case.
An open case. What's the charges in that case?
CF 25-1084, it's Lakeville.
Okay.
5-1084.
Was he out on bond?
I believe so.
All right, I find problem cause for the charges. The, do they do 5-day hearings still?
Do anything for her here.
Okay. All right, well, based on the fact that you were out on bond and you obtained a new charge, I'm gonna hold you without bond at this time. That can be, I'm sorry.
We would ask for his bond to be revoked in the CF 25-1084. He would be entitled to bond on the new charge.
Okay, that's what I was trying to get to.
Yes.
All right, so on 25-1084, we'll revoke your bond for violations of new law violations while you're out on bond. On this case, it's that is not the right document over there. Scroll back down to the charges. Burglary of a dwelling, your bond will be set at $15,000, and the criminal mischief, your charge will be, your bond will be set at $1,000.
Thank you.
Jessica Downs.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so it has an open case.
Okay.
It's out release. It's at CF 25-805.
805.
Is it 805? 805, yeah. Which I think.
Okay, are there new charges?
This is just order revoking. It's not new law charges.
Okay, that's what I thought. It says violation of CR. All right, Ms. Downs, you're charged with a violation of conditional release on some older charges. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. And due to these violations, that you're going to be held no bond for now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good morning. Right.
All right, Mr. Dumars,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
morning.
Good morning.
All right. You are charged with resisting an officer without violence. Looks like shooting a deadly missile. Well, resisting without is a first-degree misdemeanor. Shooting a deadly missile into a vehicle, a building, or an aircraft, which is listed. A felony in the second degree. Burglary of an unoccupied dwelling, a felony in the second degree. Grand theft of a dwelling over $750. That is a felony of the third degree. And assault on specified personnel, misdemeanor of the first degree. Obstructing without violence, misdemeanor of the first degree. And possession of a weapon by a convicted felon, a felony of the second degree. Sorry, a felony of the second degree. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am. No, Your Honor.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, is there pretrial recommendations? Do you have the little bond sheet?
Bond?
You don't have any
We don't.
documents, that's right, okay. Can I get CCIS, please?
Judge, we don't handle Highlands.
You don't do any of that. Okay.
I didn't see history and stack. I don't know if the officers down there had NCIC or anywhere.
Okay. Well, they're saying that he's got history according to the charges, so. All right. Well, on the burglary count one,
Your Honor,
burglary,
this is Lieutenant Marlowe down at Highlands. I have his history. Most of it's out of state.
okay, that's probably why it's,
Texas, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Illinois, Colorado.
okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, as to count one burglary of a dwelling, bond's gonna be set at 20,000. Count, the count of criminal mischief, 1,000. Grand theft will be 5,000. Deadly missile will be 15,000. The assault will be 1,000. The obstructing, 1,000. And the possession of ammo by convicted felon will also be 20,000. I would do find probable cause for all those charges. All right. And the detention bailiff has your next court date.
Hamilton.
Why does it disappear every time I touch it? Okay, Timothy Hamilton, you Mr. Hamilton?
Yeah.
All right. You are charged with fleeing to elude and obstruct. I'm sorry?
I think it's just, he's just got a Polk County hold for, yes, a bunch of charges in Polk County.
All right, so you have a Polk County warrant. There's other charges on here too, fleeing to elude and obstructing without. So as to the Polk County warrant, you have to come up here to Polk County and handle that, and you have no bond on that count. Do you have an attorney, sir?
Wow.
All right, can you afford to hire an attorney?
No.
All right, so your Highlands County charges are failure, are fleeing to elude and
He's completing this Highlands County case. That's why he's booked it on the out of county.
okay, so he's got a, okay, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
Just trying to figure out how to read these documents. All right, so you're finished with that. They're gonna bring you up here to court. But you'll be no bond at this time. And if you haven't already got a public defender up here, I will appoint the Office of the Public Defender for your Polk County charges. Okay,
Your Honor, next person, Shelby Harlow. She refused to get dressed to participate today.
do we just announce it for the record? Or do we just,
We can bring her back tomorrow and see if she cooperates tomorrow.
okay. All right, bring her back tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Awesome.
All right. Hello, Hawthorne.
Your Honor, the state's filing a motion for pretrial detention on the manslaughter count.
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, just so the court is aware, the defense has not received the full probable cause affidavit, it only has 2 pages. And the page that we have do not indicate who in fact was.
The deceased?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me look at this.
If we waive the reading of the charge.
Okay. All right. We have the public defender's office, attorney here in court. She's waiving reading of the charges. Has someone informed you of what your charges are?
No, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
Then we have to read.
you have to read them? All right.
He didn't tell you in booking when you were booked in.
But I didn't understand it.
Okay. I need to go.
Your Honor, she said that they told her in booking when she was booked in, she didn't understand it. I'll give her a copy of her disposition memorandum.
That's fine.
Thank you.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
yeah, that's for your benefit. Okay, why can't this scroll up? Why does it say? Lauren, do you have something other than this one page PC?
No, ma'am, that's all I have, but there's a warrant signed by Judge Cowden, so the state's position is that Judge Cowden is already found probable cause. I don't know if I provided more information than what we have.
Okay, I see the rest warrant now. All right, thank you.
It's just, you said Judge Calvin?
Cowden.
Can you spell it for me, please? Cowden. Thank you.
Ma'am, did I ask you if you have an attorney yet?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sorry. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Based on the nature of the charge, I am going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention. At this point, you'll be held no bond. I find probable cause based on, Judge Cowden has already found probable cause for the charges. So,
I think the pre-trial detention hearing would be Wednesday at 1 o'clock with the board.
okay. All right, so they'll hold you until Wednesday and readdress it then. You get these.
Trying to think about that.
Okay, thank you. All right. Hayes,
Yes.
all right, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
All right, you're charged with fraudulent use of credit cards, theft of a credit, wait, what is this? This is not pros.
Mr. Hayes pleaded Highlands County. He's got an out of county for Manatee County.
Okay. All right, Mr. Hayes. You have an out of county hold, so we'll let them know that you're here and they should make arrangements to transport you over to Manatee, okay?
Is there a bond?
$5,000 bond.
Where's that at?
That's not expected.
All right, so, yeah, on the criminal use of personal ID is 2,500, fraudulent use of credit card, 2,500, so it's a total of 5,000. And if you bond out, you need to, report to Manatee County on that for court. If you don't bond out, they'll pick you up, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, who's next? Malik McCray? Good morning. All right. So you're here on charges of domestic violence, first degree misdemeanor, and battery with prior conviction, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. Look at your probable cause here. All right, I do find probable cause. Bond will be set at $1,000 on the first count and wait, is there only one count felony battery?
Yes,
I'm sorry, they listed it out. It looked like 2 counts. I apologize. You just have 1 count of felony battery with prior conviction, but it is domestic in nature. Your bond will be set at $5,000 on that. You have no contact with the victim, no contact with Desiree, okay?
But this is against my mom, not Desiree.
You live with your mom?
No, me and Desiree live together.
Yeah,
This is this is a case about my mom.
Okay, well. Belinda Walker McCray, okay, I'm sorry. All right, so you can have contact with Desiree. You cannot have contact with your mother for the time being.
So is my bond 1,000 or 5,000?
I'm sorry, I thought you had 2 counts. But you just have 1 count, so your bond is 5,000 for the 1 felony count, okay?
Roush.
Okay, thank you. Joshua Morales. Morales, you're charged with violation of a domestic violence injunction, first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. History. Do we get history on Highlands?
Yes, ma'am. Give me a minute. 2002 driving suspended. 2003 driving suspended. 2003 probation violation. 2003 carry concealed, deadly weapon, aggravated assault. 2003 written response to appear, felony misdemeanor.
He's actually got another open violation of injunction.
Another open violation
Yes, ma'am. July.
from July. Can you tell if it's the same injunction?
You said yes.
The only injunction is this lady that put on it. So
It's the same, yes, the same.
Same. All right.
So we would ask for his bond to be revoked. It's MM 25-562. We asked for his bond to be revoked in that charge. MM 25. MM 25-562. 562.
I'll have another bond.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna revoke the bond in 25 MM 562. On this case, it's a first degree misdemeanor. If for some reason, your other charges clear up, your bond will be set on this case at $10,000.
I don't have another bond, man, and I don't have another case.
Okay, your bond will be set at $10,000 with the following conditions: no internet, no contact with this person who's the victim. Let me find it. Pamela Chestnut. No contact means no contact. So that means don't go near her. Don't try to contact her through yourself, through third parties, or through any dummy accounts that are set up, but you'll have no internet use in the meantime as well. Should you bond out? All right, did I find PC? Did I say I found PC? Okay. All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's it, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would you like to knock out the Spanish, Your Honor?
I can do whatever he thinks the best way to do it. Do we have Baldemero de la Cerda?
Baldemero. Yes,
Palomero
Your Honor.
de la Cerda, adelante.
De la Cerda. Okay, so you're charged with battery by prior conviction, a third degree felony.
Señor, usted está acusado de agresión física con una condena previa. ¿Es un delito mayor de tercer grado?
Do you have an attorney?
¿Usted tiene un abogado?
Oh,
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
¿Usted puede pagarle a un abogado?
no, ahorita no.
No, not right now.
Provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
Provisionalmente le voy a nombrar la oficina de los defensores públicos para que lo representen.
Okay.
Ok.
Okay. I'll find probable cause for the charge.
Determino que hay causa probable para el cargo.
And your bond will be set, excuse me, do we have pretrial recommendations, please?
Pregunta a la señora juez si tiene recomendaciones para libertad con condiciones.
¿Cómo dice? Oh,
And see the history.
Su historial.
All right, sir, your bond is going to be set at $5,000.
Señor, su fianza va a ser fijada en $5,000.
There's going to be no drinking if you bond out.
Si usted sale bajo fianza, no puede tomar.
No,
Okay.
no contact with the victim.
Ningún contacto con la víctima. Okay.
No weapons or firearms.
Ningún arma de fuego ni armas blancas.
No, okay.
Oh, no, okay. Muy bien.
Thank you, that's it.
Muchas gracias. Eso es todo.
Heads up. Two people up here waiting. Picked up.
All right.
Next is Justo Garcia Chichalapa. Chichalapa?
Señor Justo García Chichilapa.
Sí.
Yes.
Garcia Chichilapa.
Señor García Chichilapa.
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Sir, you've been charged with no valid driver's license,
Señor, usted ha sido acusado de no tener licencia válida para conducir.
elevated to a first degree misdemeanor
Se lo han incrementado a un delito menor de primer grado,
based on your status.
basado en su estatus. Yes.
Do you have an attorney?
¿Tiene los medios para pagarle un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
¿Usted puede pagarle a un abogado?
No.
No.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Provisionalmente le nombro la oficina del defensor público para que le represente.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll find probable cause for the charge.
Determinó que hay causa probable para el cargo.
Is there any other pretrial recommendation?
Sit up. Can't be lying in the chairs.
I'm sorry, counsel. The interpreter did not hear you.
Oh, he didn't say anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
That was somebody else talking.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, your bond is set at $1,000.
Su fianza va a ser fijada en $1,000.
No driving
No puede manejar.
is a condition of your bond.
Es como condición de su fianza.
Okay, I just wanted to check what the standard conditions were. Okay, thank you.
Muy bien, gracias.
Royland Hernandez Garcia.
Froilán Hernández García, adelante.
Sí.
Hernandez.
It's under H Hernandez. Oh. Okay, thanks. All right, Mr. Hernandez, you're charged with going on a valid driver's license. This also escalate. I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Señor Hernández, usted ha sido acusado de no tener licencia válida para conducir.
Okay, that's also escalated. It's escalated to a first degree misdemeanor based on your status.
Basado en su estatus migratorio, se lo han incrementado a un delito menor de primer grado.
Do you have an attorney?
¿Usted tiene un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
¿Usted tiene los medios para pagarle a un abogado?
No, ahorita no.
No, not right now.
I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Provisionalmente le voy a nombrar la oficina de los defensores públicos para que lo representen.
I find probable cause for the charge.
Determino que hay causa probable para el cargo imputado.
Okay. Your bond will be set at $1,000,
Su fianza está fijada en $1,000
with the condition that there's to be no driving.
con la condición de que no puede manejar.
Está bien.
That's fine.
Judge, this is Kristen with pretrial. I'm sorry to interrupt. These last two, did you just wanted a condition of bond or did you want an actual condition of PTR?
I think that'd be PTR.
Okay.
The no driving part.
PTR.
So on this inmate as well as the Garcia Chilapata, I'm sorry if I mispronounced it.
Okay. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Sorry, I thought that was understood to be part of it. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Muchas gracias, señor.
Sí.
Alejandro Marvin Naives. Last name's Marvin, Your Honor.
Under M.
Marvin Nieves Alejandro.
Sí.
Yes.
Marvin with a B.
Marvin, Marben, and then Naives.
All right, Mr. Marvin Nieves, you are charged with no valid driver's license, which is also elevated to a first-degree misdemeanor based on your status.
Señor Marvin Nieves, usted está acusado de no tener licencia válida para conducir. Se lo han incrementado por su estatus migratorio a un delito menor de primer grado.
Do you have an attorney?
¿Usted tiene un abogado?
No.
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
¿Usted tiene los medios para pagarle a un abogado?
No.
No.
I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Provisionalmente le voy a nombrar la oficina de los defensores públicos para que lo representen.
I'll find probable cause for the charge.
Determinó que hay causa probable para el cargo.
And your bond will be set at $1,000.
Su fianza va a ser fijada en $1,000.
Pretrial condition that you do not engage in any driving.
Una de las condiciones de su libertad previa a juicio es que no puede involucrarse en ningún tipo de manejo, no puede manejar.
Okay.
Ok,
Thank you.
gracias. Gracias, eso es todo.
That's all the Spanish Central, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great Thanksgiving. See you
You too.
tomorrow.
All
Thank
right.
you.
All right, so where do we need to go? South now?
Yes.
Okay.
Your Honor, we had 3 that were being combated. We can add them on for tomorrow.
Is that Barnes, Davis, and Mihan?
No, Emmett Barnes and LaMarcus Davis and Roger Milton.
Nelson. Oh, okay, sorry. All right, well, let's bring them back tomorrow.
The first one up, Zion Charles Pierre.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Senator Charles Pierre. All right. Sir, you're charged with attempted burglary of a conveyance of third-degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No, I have a lawyer.
Who's your lawyer?
I don't have his credentials, but I don't have his credentials at the moment to give to you. Is that okay?
I just wondered if you knew what their name was.
I would just
It's okay.
double check, to have reassurance so I don't get it wrong. I'm sorry.
That's okay. So is this an attorney that you've hired for this case or an attorney that you've had for something else?
Well, it's someone that somebody else appointed for me. So
Somebody appointed or somebody's hiring for you?
yeah, hiring for me, I guess. Hiring for me.
Okay.
but appointed to, I guess you could say, you know,
I would ask the
yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. If your attorney shows up to court at any point in the future, they can take over the case. It won't be a problem. You can hire whoever you want, but right now, let's, make sure you have somebody. So,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
right, provisionally appoint the public defender. Look at your PC. All right, I do find probable cause. Is there any history? All right, I'll set your bond at $5,000.
$5,000. Okay.
If you bond out, there's gonna be no contact with the victim.
That's 5,000 each count.
There's three
Is
counts.
there 3 counts?
There's
What?
3 counts of attempt burglary.
Sorry,
Your Honor.
hang on. All
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
right, and don't go to the event location, I guess is what we need to do. And that's part of pretrial release if I didn't need to, if I didn't need to say that or not. All right. All right, so count 1 will be 5,000, count 2 will be 1,000, count 3 will be 1,000.
Wow.
Thank you.
All right, this way.
Yes, ma'am.
Christopher Coin.
Mr. Coyne, you're charged with petty theft, a second-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
Yes, I do.
Who's your attorney?
I'm Grayjack. He's not for this case, but for another case.
So you're gonna hire him?
Yes.
Okay. All right. If at some point, if you can't hire Mr. Grayjack, then you can make a request to have a public defender appointed at any
Thank
time,
you.
okay?
Thank you.
Okay, give me 1 second to look at your PC. Is there anything pending right now?
I don't think so.
Right, open 25 CF 9982.
Yes, ma'am, that's still open. Nothing. It's a possession of meth, possession of paraphernalia. We would ask for his bond to be revoked in that case.
All right,
You just have Mr. Grayjack on that case.
Okay.
Which, 25 CF 9918.
982. All right, I do find probable cause for the new charge. Based on the new charge, I will revoke the bond in 25 CF 9982. And The bond in the new charge, this case will be set at $1,000 with no contact with the victim or the location. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Next up, Emmanuel Diaz.
Mr. Diaz, you are charged with misuse of a 911 system, a first-degree misdemeanor, armed burglary, a first-degree felony, petty theft, a second-degree misdemeanor, aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, a second-degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's your attorney?
I'm about to get one.
Okay. So I'll
They're
tell you the
working
same
on-
thing I just told the last guy.
Yes, ma'am.
If you know who you're gonna get and you're gonna get them, that's great. But for right now, I mean, I could appoint the public defender for you in the meantime, but if you're pretty sure you're gonna hire somebody, we'll let you go ahead and hire them. But if at any other point you can't hire them, you can ask to have a public defender appointed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, so you are,
All right, if the court finds probable cause, the armed burglary is punishable by life.
PBL.
So we would ask for that count to remain in bond.
Okay. All right, I previously reviewed this affidavit and if you find probable cause as to the misuse of 911, the bond will be 1,000. Armed burglary, it's a first degree felony punishable by life. That will be no bond. Petty theft and its second degree misdemeanor will be $250. And aggravated battery with a deadly weapon is a second degree felony. That will be 15,000.
No PTR.
Well, he's being held no bond on the PBL.
No bond? No bond?
So. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, Jason Diaz.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, Mr. Diaz, you're charged with burglary with an assault or battery. That's a first degree felony PBL or punishable by life. Simple assault, which is a second degree misdemeanor, and kidnapping, which is a first degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
I have my girlfriend looking into that right now.
Okay. Would you like me to appoint a public defender in the meantime in case you can't get someone?
Yes, if you can, yes.
All right, so I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. If at some point you hire somebody, they can take over the case at any time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I previously reviewed the probable cause affidavit and I do find probable cause.
The burglary with battery is a PBL and the kidnapping is also a PBL. So we would ask for those two counts to remain in bond.
Okay, thank you. All right, as to the burglary with assault or battery, first degree felony PBL, there will be no bond on that case. Simple assault is an M2, a misdemeanor in the second. That'll be $250 bond. Kidnapping, first degree felony, punishable by life, and that will also be a no bond.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Next up is Teron Glenn.
Good morning.
Last name is what?
Glenn.
Glenn. Thank you. Glenn. All right. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Middle.
Looks like you have a violation of probation. You have an attorney.
No, ma'am.
All right.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. This says he's got, oh, that's a Pinellas hold, okay. All right, so you're on hold from Pinellas. You have to deal with a violation here, okay? So you're gonna be held no bond.
There should be no more holds. I was sentenced in Pinellas and Hillsborough. I'm just finishing up the case here now. I was already sentenced to
You
prison
already did
13
your-
months.
You
Yes,
did your,
ma'am.
your months, okay, all right,
Yes.
it doesn't, it's not always clear on the paper, I apologize. All
No
right,
problem.
so, you'll be here, no bond for your violation. And that's, I appointed a public defender, didn't I? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
all right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up is Shalon Robert Little.
Last name's Little.
Little.
Yeah, Shalon.
All right. Thank you. All right,
With Benjamin and, oh,
Shalon, there's two littles. All right. Good morning, Mr. Little.
Morning.
You're charged with knowingly driving with a suspended or revoked license, a first offense, a second degree misdemeanor, possession of methamphetamine, a third degree felony, possession of alprazolam, a third degree felony, possession of MDMA, third degree felony, possession of prescription drug without a prescription, a second degree misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, a first degree misdemeanor, grand theft motor vehicle, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
he was brought back to be contacted for K Cox. The private attorney.
Oh, okay. Did you hire Mr. Cox?
Yes, ma'am.
And he was brought back from another,
No, it's just from a different day.
okay,
Not from yesterday. It was like for his turn.
It was for him to have an opportunity to reach out to his counsel.
okay. And Mr. Cox isn't here. Were you able to talk to him?
My family's doing that on the outside.
Okay, so the bonds were already set? Or did they just wait?
This was what they waited.
They waited, all right. Okay, all right, I do find probable cause. As to the possession of drug paraphernalia, bond will be set at $1,000. Possession of alprazolam, $5,000. Possession of methamphetamine will be $5,000. Possession of MDMA will be $5,000. Grand theft motor vehicle will be $5,000. Driving on a suspended license will be $250, and possession of prescription drug without a prescription will be set at $250. Are there any pretrial recommendations?
No, you're on.
Okay. All right. Thank you, that's it.
Step this way. Javier Martinez.
Good morning.
Morning.
We'll wait for meeting, rather.
Thank you. Where's the Attic County warrant at? From
Osceola.
Osceola. Okay, so you have a child support warrant out of Osceola County. There's a
Yes,
cash purge of $1,289.12. Okay,
I'm sorry, Your Honor. It should be lower than that because I've been paying.
okay, well, that's what this says right now. You might be able to, if they take you over there, you might be able to talk to them about that. But it's set as a bond for right now, like a purge, okay?
Okay.
And- All right, and then you have charges here. That the public defender that's here in court has asked to waive reading of those charges. Are you aware of what the charges are?
I was aware, yes.
Okay. All right. Can we scroll up? Why? Can I scroll up, please? Nope, I'm sorry, scroll down. Thank you. I do find probable cause for the charges, the current charges. And bonds will be, is there 2 counts there?
There's 2 counts.
Okay, all right. Bonds will be set at $5,000 on each count.
Okay.
Pretrial conditions, no contact.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you were living at that location before.
Yes,
where
I
those
am.
folks- Okay, well, in the meantime, you're gonna have to, if you bond out, you're gonna have to find somewhere else to live.
Okay.
Okay,
What were the bonds?
5,000 each.
Can you get a PD?
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, do you have an attorney?
No, I do not, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, I cannot.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Thank you. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Next up is Cloud Maxwell, last name Maxwell.
I don't know how you doing today.
Hey, how are you?
Best. I have a question, Your Honor.
Give me 1 second. Mr. Maxwell, it looks like you've got a DOC warrant violation of what? Violation of probation.
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor. I was violated for not showing up, in which the past month on 4
Sir?
different occasions. I was hot.
So the public defender is here in court. She's trying to speak to you.
I'm gonna ask that you not say the facts of your case on the record, okay? Because she can hear you, and there's a state attorney here who can hear everything.
Okay, so, sir, you have this violation of probation, which it appears you're aware of. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am, but I do have something to say, ma'am.
Can you, hang on, can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. And like I said, there's a assistant public defender here in court.
Ma'am, I was most recently hospitalized 4 times under the Baker Act for the past month. And if given the opportunity to grab those records to show you, it would put an end to this whole matter, Your Honor. I'm just on a violation of not showing up, which I was hospitalized, ma'am, under Baker Act and Corona, ma'am.
Okay, well, I do find probable cause for the violation at this point. Do you have an attorney appointed now? They can file a motion or help you handle that in front of the violation of probation, Judge, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Would I be able to be PTR'd in order for me to get those records from
No,
the
sir, I'm
hospital?
sorry. Not today, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is James Paul Prickle, last name Prickle.
Okay. All right, Mr. Perkel, you've been charged with felony petty theft, subsequent offense, a 3rd-degree felony, and grand theft firearm, a 3rd-degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Look, you see here.
The only question I have is if I have a bond on everything.
Okay, hang on one second. I'm gonna get to
Yeah.
it.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a bring back from yesterday. I'm looking on the grand theft of firearm, but there's a amended affidavit that I think has everything. I'm not sure if the court has the
It
amended.
was missing the firearm PC. Is that what the problem was?
Yes, ma'am. I don't know if the court has the amended affidavit. If it doesn't, I can have the amended affidavit.
Let's see. The one that I have does not say amended. Okay, let me look at this real quick. Missing the amended affidavit. I'll find probable cause. Thank you, Wisdom. Yes. Are there any open cases? Any other open cases?
I don't, these are add-ons. I don't think so. I think
These are
they're
add-ons. Okay. They were just talking about a lot of other stuff in that
Yes, ma'am.
affidavit. That's what I was looking at. Okay, are there already bonds on those? Are there other are pre-trial conditions already in effect? For the other charges?
If they put any pretrial release, we would ask for no weapons or firearms and no contact with any of the alleged victims.
That's what I was thinking. I just wondered.
I don't know if they put any pretrial release conditions on them yesterday or not.
Okay, that's what I was trying to figure out. And I'd like to know what those other bonds were. Do we have that information from yesterday?
It should be CF 25-10659. I think is what came through yesterday. It's paperwork from yesterday. So.
What he said.
Yeah.
That's all there is. There it is. Club.
I think it's there's a fentanyl that's 1,000 or 10,000. 1,000, sorry. Possession of fentanyl 1,000, paraphernalia 500, cocaine 1,000.
Okay, I see now.
And then
Thank you, ma'am.
maintaining a structure 500.
All right. That's what I needed to see. All right, so in these charges, the felony petty theft, third degree felony, bond set at 5,000, grand theft firearm, bond set at 5,000 as well. Same pretrial conditions, if they were already ordered. If not, then they should be, no weapons or firearms and no contact with any of the victims.
Yes, ma'am.
I think you're bond on everything now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
No point PD on that?
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right, thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Love you, Jamie. Love you, brother.
Next up is Christopher Prevent.
See you.
All right, Mr. Pravat, you're charged with petty theft, a second degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Become probable cause for the charge. What do we have on history?
Oh.
Based on the history, I'm gonna set bond at $5,000. No contact with victim. It won't let me sign. Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Next up is Victor Reyes.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Reyes, you've been arrested on a warrant, so a judge has already been found probable cause. I'm trying to find the charges. Armed burglary, a first degree felony. That's a PBL, isn't it? Yes. Yes, punishable by life. And
So the state would ask for to remain at no bond at this point, Your Honor.
okay. All right. As I said, another judge has already found probable cause. I will, excuse me, I have you, do you have an attorney, sir?
They're working on it. You can assign a public defender until they figure that out.
Okay, so you cannot afford to hire a private attorney
No.
at the moment? Okay, all right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender's office. I will leave the PBL set at no bond. And same pretrial conditions if there's ever a bond set. No,
All right.
no weapons, no firearms, no alcohol, stay away from the victim. Thank you.
Next up is Gerardo Reynoso.
How you doing, Honor?
Hi, give me 1 sec. We still have finished up paperwork on the last one.
This is
And good morning, Judge. This is Attorney Matthew Wells. I've been asked to appear for Mr. Reynoso this morning as well.
Hi, Mr. Wells. Oh, there you, I'm like, who is that? Let's see. All right, Reno, so. All right, Mr. Reno, so you have been charged with kidnapping, a first-degree felony punishable by life, domestic violence, battery by strangulation, a third-degree felony, and criminal mischief, damage amounting to between $200 and $1,000, a first-degree misdemeanor. And it looks like Mr. Wells is here on your behalf.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. Let me look at the PC real quick. Okay, do you find probable cause? Mr. Wells, did you have anything?
Briefly, Judge, if I may, I appreciate the court's consideration here. Just want the court to know that Mr. Reynoso does not reside with the alleged victim in this case. They do share a child in common, but he does not reside there, so he's got an alternate residence should the court see fit to award him bond. He also is full-time employed, Judge, works as a welder and has been doing that for some time now. Certainly would be able to go back to work again should he be have the benefit of bond. And lifelong resident of Polk County and the state of Florida. Most, if not all of his family is here in Polk County, so certainly has significant ties to the community.
Thank you. Ms. Lauren?
At this point, kidnapping is a punishable by life offense, so we would ask for that to remain at no bond at this point until further hearing.
Okay. All right, well, for the time being, because of the first degree felony punishable by life, I will leave that set at no bond. If at some point something changes with that, then that situation might change as well. As far as the count 2, the battery by strangulation, domestic violence, the F3, I will set bond at $10,000. No contact with the victim, no contact with the child at this point. And for the criminal mischief, bond will be $1,000.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I am. That's this one. Next up is Marcus Stone Chin. Last name Chin.
Chin. Okay. Oh, Chin.
Chin.
Sit with an S. Oh, yes. Sorry, I thought he said chin like CH. Okay, Marcus Chin. All right. Good morning, Mr. Shen. You're charged with violation of a domestic violence injunction, a first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Can you scroll down, please? Keep it in case 2 you're on it. Okay, start. Say it again, 20, MM 25,
8754.
misdemeanor.
Yes, ma'am. It's a violation of injunction.
Okay.
Looks like it was like from November 15th, and then this is from yesterday.
Are you,
We would ask for his bond to be revoked on the open case.
okay, on 25 MM 8754, I will revoke the bond. Did you find probable cause on this case? And bond would be set at $10,000. Pretrial conditions, no contact. And no internet.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hang on. Let's do GPS too with house arrest. Just court at this point. Okay. Sir?
Did you just say that my previous bond was revoked?
Yes, sir. The open case, you have 25A754. You said it was from November 15th, Ms. Lauren?
Yes, ma'am. The offense date on that appears to be November 15th.
Okay. Great. Yes, sir. That bond's revoked because you were out on bond and you have a new offense.
I have not left. I wasn't out on bond. I've been incarcerated this whole time, man. I never posted bond on that.
Oh, you didn't get out on that one?
No, he didn't.
Okay, looking at the case.
Okay. Oh, this from the jail. So yeah, so he hasn't bonded out yet. I'm sorry. If this happened while he was at the jail.
Oh, we did this while in jail.
Yes,
Allegedly.
ma'am. No,
Okay.
yes.
I said that. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think based on that, the bond still needs to be revoked though, because the terms of confinement weren't enough to keep him from being charged with another offense. So, all right. Thank you.
So we're not Barkley?
We are.
Yeah, no, we are.
Next up is Billy Wassner.
Good morning, sir. You're charged with possession of methamphetamine, a third-degree felony, and destroying or tampering with physical evidence, a third-degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
Oh, no, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. I previously reviewed the probable cause affidavit, and I do find probable cause for the charges. Let's see. Is there a PTR recommendation? Is there a reason that tampering comes in with no bond? That's how
I
it
think it's
comes
one
in.
of the charges where they don't set a bond at the first appearance.
Okay, I was just checking if there was some other reason. All right, can I see the history, please?
Good thing, everybody.
He's the wheelchair.
All right, thank you. Can I see the PTR form? PTR order?
We're in the long haul. Yes, it's 10:40.
Is there a PTR condition that's similar to the no going to places where drugs are sold or frequented, things like that? You know what I'm talking about?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah, not really.
Okay. There's bars, no bars and lounges, but that doesn't, I don't think that really applies in this case. Ah, do not possess any illegal drugs. So that's part of the standard. Okay. Got a point, PD? Okay. All right. Mr. Westner,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, your bond on the possession of methamphetamine is $5,000. Your bond on the tampering with evidence is going to be set at $10,000. Conditions are house arrest, no GPS. Can go to court and attorney appointments and medical appointments. Standard conditions are no drugs. So we'll do random testing for your analysis. Bond is 10. That's what I said, right? 10. All right, and we need to do no contact with the co-defendant if it's not a standard condition. There we go. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you, Mr. Westner. Have a nice day.
We have one more judge. I skipped by accident. First name Antonio, last name Scarborough.
Scarborough.
I got excuse. Oh. Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with armed burglary with an assault or battery. That's a life felony.
Ah.
Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am. But can I say something on that?
Hang on. Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am. Because I have no reason to.
Okay, so I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. There's a, can you scroll up, please? There's assistant public, thank you, assistant public defender here in court.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm gonna let her advise you on whether or not you want to say anything.
We advise you not to speak on the record. There is an assistant state attorney here who is listening and recording everything you're saying. So I'm going to advise you not to speak on the record. Someone from our office will come to the jail to see you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I wonder, could I get one of the officers to fingerprint me? Because I haven't been fingerprinted since I came in here.
No.
On that state decision? Because every time I get to West Lime Street, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. I get the same arrest. Upon you guys' state knowledge. And all you guys hyphen though.
All right, Ms. Lauren, do you have a motion?
The state would ask for this to remain in no bond at this point since it's a life felony.
Yes, ma'am. All right, so based on the nature of the charge at this point, you're not going to have a bond. As the public defender told you, somebody's going to be out to talk to you, so they can help you work through your case, and you know, maybe they file a bond motion or they get to the bottom of what your issues are. Okay.
I don't know what issue this is because I've been hospitalized.
Okay. Well, they're going to help you get through that.
So, how do I get my money back for, negligence for this excuse?
Someone come to the jail to see you, okay, sir?
All right.
Thank you.
That is all, Your Honor. Happy Thanksgiving to you all.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
First one at Central, Your Honor, Noel Barboza, still at the hospital.
No, Barbosa is still at the hospital. All right, so we bring him back tomorrow? Okay, bring him back tomorrow.
First one up, Alfonso Brooks.
Okay. All right, Mr. Brooks, you have a pickup order, looks like on child support. Was it 150, Miss Lauren?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there's a $150 purge. Is that all that's holding him?
Yes, ma'am. That's all that's on the list. So if he doesn't have anything else, he can either purge out or he'll see the hearing officer Monday.
Okay. All right, Mr. Brooks, did you hear that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you can either pay $150 on your purge and get out, or you can, you'll go to the hearing officer on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I thought all this was.
I'll explain it to you. Next is Michael Bruce.
All right, Mr. Bruce, you are charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, first degree misdemeanor, possession of methamphetamine, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
Ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
Ma'am.
I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. Mm. All right, I find probable cause.
He is on probation.
He's on probation.
He's on probation in CF 25-6048. So at this point, if the court finds probable cause, they would ask for an in-standing warrant to be issued.
Okay. All right, well, I did find probable cause, so based on that new law violation, it would be a violation of any probation, so.
He's 12 months probation and sentenced on 8/22, I think, 8/22/25.
8/22/25.
Yes, ma'am, I believe so.
All right, do we need to issue a warrant, or am I just saying warrant?
The clerk will do an in-stander for you.
In-standard warrant. Okay, can we do that? All right, and then does he come back on that tomorrow?
It should ride along with his new charge.
Okay, but then he has no bond on that because it's a violation. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
And actually, I think he's on probation on the second case too, 6046. So it'd be on the two cases.
6046. Okay. All right, so Mr. Bruce, I did find probable cause for your new law violation. Your bonds are set in that case at the possession of paraphernalia, 1,000, possession of methamphetamine, 5,000. However, this new law violation is a violation of your probation that you were placed on in August. And so they're issuing a warrant for that. You will have no bonds on that probation violation at this point. Okay. Thank you.
Is it only one case or two cases?
She said 6046 and 6048.
6046 and 6048.
Next is Dalton Campbell.
All right, Mr. Campbell, there's been a warrant where probable cause has found, or probable cause was previously found by another court for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, domestic in nature, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
Oh, man.
Okay, can you afford to hire an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you talked to somebody?
Yes, I've talked to an attorney, yeah.
Are they going to be able to appear for you? Have you hired them officially?
No, nothing fully. I just can't afford to reach them based on the phone system, but yes, I can get an attorney. Do have an attorney.
Okay. All right. Who is it that you think you're going to be hiring?
I'm not sure of the name, but I should be able to get one by tomorrow.
All right. I hate to just leave you hanging in there. Do you want me to appoint the public defender in the meantime?
Yes, you can.
Okay. All right. So at least right now you're in jail. You don't have access to any of your finances, I take it. So you'll have difficulty hiring an attorney on your own?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
because everything has been,
okay, I will provisionally appoint the public defender then. And if you hire someone, they can take over at any time, okay?
okay.
All right, so probable cause was previously found. I don't have the details on this. Let me see. Thank you. Can I see the history, please?
Are you gonna drink that water?
Bergen County.
It's a brand new bottle.
Are you showing a Brevard County hold on him as well?
No,
Anybody?
no, that's where I was picked up. I was driving a truck and get picked up over there.
Okay, for this charge. All right.
For this
That's what I was
charge,
trying to
yes.
figure out if there was something else pending. All right. Ms. Lauren, have you reviewed the PC on this?
The state would ask for. You'd ask for 5,000 per count and you'd ask for.
Let's see. Can we go back to the original page? All the way to the top. Set at 5,000 each count, and then the pretrial conditions. No weapons, firearms, of any kind, no contact with the victim. Anything else, Ms. Lauren? Was that?
No, ma'am, not at this point.
Okay, thank you. Right, so your bond is 5,000 each count, but you cannot have any weapons or firearms and no contact with the alleged victim in this case, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Daniel Cruzes.
Davis. Leo, right?
Mr. Cruz, you're charged with DUI with a 0.15 or higher, being person under 18, first offense, a first degree misdemeanor. How's he a person under 18 and he's in orange? Is that a mistake or is that just the way it comes up?
It's one of those either ors. It's either over
Either,
0.15 or having someone under 18 in the car.
In the car, okay, all right, thank you. All right, Mr. Cruz, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. All right, I do find probable cause. Bond will be set at $1,000. Pretrial condition, no alcohol, no drinking. Thank you.
Here, grab bag, the one that's on right there. Leo Davis.
Mr. Davis, you're charged with possession with intent to sell or deliver MDMA within 1,000 feet. It says college, but I'm going to assume it's college, school, or otherwise. First degree felony, possession of cannabis with intent to sell or deliver within 1,000 feet of a school. Second degree felony, possession of a structure or vehicle known to sell drugs of second degree felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia, a first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender, excuse me. Where's the location in here? I didn't see the school listed. I see a school, a daycare, a church,
I
anything
just don't
that,
see what prompt us to approach him. It just says that he was standing with other individuals. I don't see where.
See where there's a school, so the state would just ask the court to find probable cause for possession with intent to sell without the 1,000 feet.
not the enhancement.
I would find probable cause. I don't see where there's probable cause for the officer to approach him. It states that he was standing with other individuals, partially concealed. I don't see where it says that he saw any sort of legal activity prior to approaching.
It looks like a hand-to-hand transaction is what he's relying on.
A hand-to-hand transaction of
Good question.
because that's not in here. I'm not saying it's not in here.
How do I make this scroll? Let's see. This one. Okay. All right.
That's not comfortable. That's not about rights. Yeah. That's all of it.
Based on the area, the description of the area and the client's training and experience, as well as 2 hand-to-hand transactions where you couldn't see what's happening. And then after the second transaction, the twisted up baggies and the larger baggie and the small baggie, I will find that there's probable cause to approach him at that point. I do not find probable cause for the extension of the within 1,000 feet of a school or any of those extensions. So I do find probable cause for possession with intent to sell or deliver MDMA. So that'd be an F2 now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's an F2. So did I point PD on him?
Yes, sure.
Yes, okay, thank you. So I will find F2 for that. So it'll be $15,000 will be the bond for that one. Possession of cannabis with intent to sell or deliver would be an F1, or excuse me, I'm sorry,
It would be an
F3.
F3 if you take out the school enhancement.
Right, I'm sorry, I just misspoke. F3, so the bond on that'll be $5,000. The possession of a vehicle or structure would be an F2. It's also 15,000, and possession of paraphernalia is a misdemeanor, $1,000. Whatever that area is, conditions of that bond will be do not return to the area of 810 Fifth Street, whatever that location is.
Just for clarification, because the court stated that based on the area, sorry, is the court stating that based on the address of 810 Fifth Street, Westlake?
No, ma'am, I'm sorry. It's based on what the officer, the affiant's description of the area. They said this is a location where we've seen, or in that first paragraph, it said something like where it's common to see hand-to-hand transactions or things like that. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the document anymore, so I might not be saying it. It's in the last line in the first paragraph.
Based on training experience, I know subjects will stand in the area with a group of subjects that sell street amount of drugs.
I think it's a reasonable interpretation of that his training experience includes that they're going to be in that area or the area. I don't know if it's that area or if it's an area. But based on all those factors in the case, that's where I found. Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Davis.
Right. So, Davinsky dealt. Downing. Downing's. What's the last name?
Right.
Yeah, Downing first. Okay.
Mr. Jeff, you have you're here on a violation of probation. Do you have a lawyer?
Yes,
Was it, do you have a lawyer for this new violation or was it you had a lawyer for the original case?
this new one.
You have it?
Can-
Okay, who
Can
is
you
it?
can you appoint me one till I figure out the name and stuff?
Okay, so you're gonna hire somebody you think, but you don't know who it is yet?
Yes,
Okay. In the meantime, can you afford to hire an attorney, given your current
okay.
situation?
Oh,
I'm sorry, did you say no?
yes, no.
Thank you. All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. All right, you have violation of probation. You're gonna be no bond. Find probable cause for the violation. Okay. All right. When does he go to court? December 15th is your next court date.
All right.
Hey, y'all, wake up. Charles Gibson.
And black dude in front.
Oh, you still. Oh, sorry. Joshua Downing, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Joshua Downey.
Joshua Downing. Okay, thank you.
Jacob Hall.
All right, Mr. Downing, you're charged with possession of cannabis over 20 grams of third-degree felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
How much is the bond?
Just a minute.
Yes, no, in case your honor, but it looks like it's complaint affidavit, so he's not out on bond.
He's not on bond. Okay. All right, I do find probable cause for the charge. What is the open case?
It's a.
Misdemeanor.
Domestic assault.
All right.
For what?
You have another open case.
I don't have another open case.
Complaint affidavit.
It's a complaint affidavit. I guess you don't know about it yet.
He's set for arraignment. Looks like he's set for arraignment December 31st.
You have an arraignment date on that case on December 31st, but you were not out on bond on that, so that's not going to affect at this point what happens here today. So your bond on the paraphernalia charge is set at 1,000. Your bond on the cannabis charge over 20 grams is set at 5,000. And that's it. Then just make sure you keep up with your court date on the other case.
Open case, all right, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Information on it.
Next is Daniel Fraker.
All right, Mr. Baker, you're charged with fleeing or attempting to elude a police officer. It's a felony in the third degree, and resisting an officer with violence, a felony in the third degree. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Thank you. I'll provisionally.
No, go ahead. Sorry.
I'm sorry?
I was saying, I need a public defender.
Okay, I will provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. Give me one sec. Okay, can I see history, please?
Oh my God.
A little bit bigger than that. All right. Thank you. All right. Nothing pending right now, no probation.
Let the jail.
No. This is on the last one. Okay. Don't first appearance. All right. right, so your bond on the resisting an officer with violence will be set at $5,000 and the fleeing to illegal will be set at 5,000 as well.
That's it, yeah.
Next is Charles Gibson.
All right, Mr. Gibson, you've been charged with DUI of alcohol or drugs, a second degree misdemeanor, and no valid driver's license, a second degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney? I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well.
No, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. You don't live at Lakewood Terrace, do you? You live at Providence Reserve, correct?
Yes.
I guess put it back on pretrial.
All right, I do find probable cause. Bond will be set at $250 on the no valid driver's license and 1,000 on the DUI. Condition, do not return to Lakewood Terrace. It was 250 and 1,000. Thank you. Thank you.
Just go on back. Jacob Holen. Hey, you know that one. Oh, your bag? Yeah.
Helen, you're charged with violation of a stalking injunction, a first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Is there any other history? All right, your bond's gonna be set at $2,500. Your injunction's still in place. I'm sorry?
What did you say? Can you repeat yourself? Sorry.
Bond said 2,500.
Your bond is set at $2,500. Your injunction is still in place.
Okay.
That means
Don't violate.
don't go near her. Don't violate again. You might not be getting a bond if you do next time.
Yes, ma'am.
That bond was there.
Can I get my bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was 25, right?
Yes. Yes. Is it, do I need to have a rounder number?
No, just trying to make sure it's got it right.
Oh, all right. All right. Who's this?
Alan Howe.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Howell, you're charged with possession of methamphetamine, a third degree felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
DOP here? It's a F-Corps hold.
I'm sorry?
F-Corps Parole Commission hold.
Oh, okay. It's just a one, it says warrant arrest or other jurisdiction, but it says one count VOP community control.
Yes.
Okay.
Was it on community control?
Oh, okay.
It's the Florida Commission on Offender Review, so I don't know if he was on conditional release or.
I don't think he is.
All right, so I do find probable cause. In this case, your bond is set on the possession of methamphetamine, $5,000, paraphernalia, $1,000. Conditions are the firearms. If you bond. Or other weapons. And I don't know what the status of your other hold is. You have some other conditional release or probation. Evidently, they want to see you.
Yes, ma'am, I got a CRD. So once my CRD time is over with, can I bond out on the new charges?
You get bond on these charges with conditions.
Okay.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Next is Tyler Howe.
All right, Mr. Howe, you're charged with wearing a mask. Wearing a mask to conceal your identity, a second degree misdemeanor, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, a second degree felony, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. All right, can I see history, please? All right. Hang on. Miss Lauren, can you 24 CF 4013?
Javier Martinez.
Is it closed, please? Can you tell me what the disposition was? Looks like he went to state prison 13 months. 13 and a half months. Was he released?
Like May 23rd of this year. It's about 6 months ago.
All right. Did I put public defender? I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. All right. All right, I do find probable cause based on the history, multiple firearm offenses and the allegations in this particular case involving a firearm. I will set the mask bond at $250, the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I will set at no bond, and possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, I will set at no bond. You need a review hearing?
Yes.
Okay. Does that need to be set right now? Okay. So he's gonna need a 5-day hearing.
We'll bring it back within 5 days.
Within 5 days.
Said no bond.
Is that on F3 and the F2?
Yes.
I thought you just go to his next court date.
They're telling me need the 5-day hearing because I'm saying no bond.
They like to set that themselves. They have to send a
You can do
motion.
it. Okay. All right, that's fine. All right. You have no bond for right now. The Public Defender's Office indicates that they're probably going to be filing a motion to have bond stated, okay?
Xavius Lanier.
All right, Mr. Lanier, you're charged with carrying a concealed firearm, a 3rd-degree felony, possession of cannabis resident, a 3rd-degree felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia. Excuse me, a 1st-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. Find probable cause. Set bond on the paraphernalia charge of $1,000, on the cannabis resident, $5,000. See, is there history? All right, let me see the JJIS, please. Oh, this is the J. Okay, sorry. All right, count 3, carrying concealed firearm. The bond will be set at $10,000.
Listen. 16,000 altogether. I'll tell you.
Total is 16. Okay, thank you.
This is Benjamin Little, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Little, you're charged with possession of drug paraphernalia, 1st-degree misdemeanor, resisting an officer without violence, 1st-degree misdemeanor, possession of methamphetamine, a 3rd-degree felony, and possession of an open container, which is a county ordinance violation. Do you have a lawyer, an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender.
Thank you.
I find probable cause on the resisting without violence. The bond will be set at $1,000, open container, $250, paraphernalia, $1,000, and the methamphetamine will be $5,000.
Okay, thank you.
This is Martin. Michael.
Mr. Michael, you're charged with driving while license suspended or revoked, 2nd-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
He already previously has an attorney for the Bobs.
He has a private attorney or a public defender?
Public defender.
Okay. All right, well, I will appoint the office of the public defender. And so these VOPs that are on here are as a result of this charge, or was that already VOPs that were pending?
They did a warrantless VOP based on the new law.
Based on the new, okay. All right, so I find there's probable cause. Your bond on your driving while license suspended is going to be $250. But it is violating your probation. And on your probation case, you are going to be held no bond. Is that, that's it? Okay, thank you.
Demetric McNair, Your Honor, is still at the hospital.
Okay, so we bring him back tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor. This is Anthony Olmo.
Thank you.
Yeah. Get a butcher name, I'll tell you that.
All right, Mr. Elmore, you're charged with petty theft, first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Okay, can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. I previously reviewed the probable cause and find probable cause for the charge. He has the VOP as well?
He has 3 VOPs and the 1 petty theft.
Okay, so on the petty theft, your bond will be set at $1,000. You do have 3 cases that you have violation of probation for. You'll be held no bond on them, at least until you go to your VOP court.
When would that be?
You know what his date is? December 13th. 15th, excuse me.
Can I ask what are the VOPs? Because I should only have.
Here, I'll show you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Clerk.
You're welcome, Your Honor. Next is Ernest Pinkney.
All right. Mr. Pinkney, you have a capias where probable cause was found on the charges of possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia. The bonds have been set in the amount of $5,000 on the first count and $1,000 on the second count. Is that it? I'm sorry. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no.
Okay, I will provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. Probable cause previously been found by the judge that issued the warrant. And your bonds are set as I stated, okay? Thank you.
Next is Christopher Prescott.
All right, Mr. Prescott, you're charged with petty theft, second offense, which is a first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. I previously reviewed this probable cause and affidavit, and I do find that there's probable cause. The bond will be set in the amount of $1,000 and pretrial condition, do not return to any Walmart. Thank you.
What was that? Oh, am I good? Am I good, ma'am? Okay.
Yep, you're good. Bond's $1,000. Stay at a Walmart.
Next is Joshua Puckawart.
We got paperwork. Puckawarts. Nope, that's the same one. There we go. Okay. All right, good morning, Mr. Puckawarts. It looks like you have a arrest warrant out of another jurisdiction, just from Pinellas. Okay, so at this point, I don't think there's a bond on there, is there?
$50,000. Okay, so there's a bond in place already set of $50,000. If you don't bond out, we'll be notifying them that we have you, and they'll make arrangements to pick you up if you don't bond out, okay?
So if I bond out, then I just have a court date for that case?
Yep, I don't know what the court date will be though.
County. Huh?
Yep.
Your court date will be in the county. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
This is Dallas Rice.
Thank you.
You got, yeah, it's a good.
If you're charged with domestic violence, battery, a first degree misdemeanor, do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
Yes.
Okay, I previously reviewed this affidavit and I do find probable cause. Can I see history, please? Can go back to the affidavit, please. Okay, so bond will be set at $5,000. I do find PC. Bond will be set at $5,000. Yeah, you're to have no contact with the victim, Mr. Zelia.
Is it, yes, ma'am. Is it okay if maybe, like in a few days, or if I could have contact, but it could be it cannot be violent or anything whatsoever in that nature?
Mr. Rice, my name is Ms. Orphan, I'm an attorney with the Public Defender's Office. Someone from our office will come down and meet with you. We'll have to file a motion to get that done, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, it's no contact. So if you bond out, is that your residence as well?
It is, but like me and my dad, we can figure things
Okay,
out.
yeah.
So-
You need to find someplace else to stay in the meantime if you bond out.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Dante Riser.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Riser. You're charged with possession of cocaine and third-degree felony and possession of drug paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
It's on the front. On the front board.
Yeah, what's his last name?
Okay, sir. I do find probable cause, the bond will be set on the paraphernalia charged at $1,000 and possession of cocaine, $5,000. Oh, wait, there's open, he's got open misdemeanor
Page, yes, ma'am, MM 25, 4.
or 714.
End of guard one. What's the big? MM 714. I think he's in diversion, so I don't think he's out on bond, but I don't know if he's on.
Can I see CCIS, please?
He is on bond.
They didn't. Okay, they used to discharge it when they went in diversion, but I didn't know.
Well, last court date, I was on 10/8. He was in diversion, so I don't know since.
Okay, then you will get compensated next court date.
I'm still, it wasn't close. That was. Let's see if you got FG keep, that's when they close.
So is he on bond or not?
They used to discharge the bond when they went into diversion, so I don't think he. I mean, I guess maybe they're still showing that he is on bond, but.
I'm saying like the judge would have said the bond, I think he just bonded on that original bond of $250. See here, this is right. So he's just showing up as being on bond.
But he's really not on.
He's really,
on diversion.
that's what it sounds like. We're just trying to figure that out.
I know they used to discharge it when they went into diversion.
Right. All right, so, Mr. Reiser, you're on your diversion case, you're gonna have to deal with that at a separate point. It's not gonna hold you in jail today. Your bonds are set, as I previously stated. Okay,
So what, five?
total of 6.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Next is Manuel Ruiz Arzola.
All right. Mr. Ruiz Arzola, you're charged with possession of methamphetamine, a third-degree felony, driving while license suspended or revoked, a second-degree misdemeanor, and possession of paraphernalia, a first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
I do not.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
I cannot.
Okay, I will provisionally appoint the office of the public defender. You find probable cause. Your bonds are set at, the paraphernalia charge to be 1,000, possession of methamphetamines, 5,000, and knowingly driving on suspended license, first offense will be set at $250. Thank you.
Charlino Sanchez.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, you're charged with, burglary of a dwelling, second-degree felony, trespass in an occupied structure or conveyance, a first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the officer, the office of the public defender. Sanchez, it's Ruiz. On probable cause. I need to see history. Go to the PC affidavit, please. Why is there not a line for the other charge? Was there?
He was here yesterday and there was some confusion whether it was supposed to be 1 charge or 2 charges. But I haven't received anything else from the officer.
He said it's just 1 house, right?
I don't think there was a cause challenge. I think it was just whether there was supposed to be that second charge.
Okay.
is the way I read that email from yesterday.
So everyone agrees it should just be burglary charge,
Just the one.
just the one burglary, the F2.
That's fine.
All right. All right. Mr. Sanchez, I thought he said it was Ruiz. I apologize. All right, Mr. Sanchez, your bond will be set on the burglary charge at $15,000 and pretrial condition, do not return to that location.
Okay.
Thank you.
You don't know.
He basically to BD.
Yeah. Can I do that before? I'm trying to do that first, so I don't forget.
And this is Justin Sanders.
All right, Mr. Sanders, charged with possession of cannabis under 20 grams, first degree misdemeanor, possession of drug paraphernalia, first degree misdemeanor, and possession of methamphetamine, a third degree felony. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no.
Provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
I got two that. One.
Find there's probable cause. Bond on the possession of cannabis will be $1,000. Possession of paraphernalia will be $1,000, and the possession of methamphetamine will be $5,000.
Nelson Santiago, Your Honor.
It's a 125.
All right, Mr. Santiago, you are here on a violation of probation. Do you have an attorney?
No,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
no,
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the office of the public defender.
He's also here for resisting false information.
Okay, you also have a capias or a warrant for failing to appear
same thing.
for possession of the phencyclidine and paraphernalia.
That's a
And then he
VOP, that's the same thing.
VOP, all right. I'm sorry. What did you say before?
That's all right.
It was the same thing.
I heard
It's a
you, I'm
VOP.
sorry. The clerk was saying something.
It looks like the FTAs and the VOPs.
It's the VOP, okay.
Thank you.
All right, so you have no bond because it's violation of probation. Did I point the PD?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Thank you.
You have resisting officer
Oh.
violence.
Where's?
I know.
All right, there is a new charge. I apologize. There is a new charge. Okay. So it's resisting an officer without violence, first degree misdemeanor, and false information to law enforcement during investigation of first degree misdemeanor. Bond on both of those, let's see. The PD appointed on that case as well. Find probable cause, the bond on those will be 1,000 each, but you will be held because of your violation.
Yeah, I'll run concurrent, I know. Thank you, man. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
This is William Sager, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Sager, you are charged with domestic violence battery, first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
I mean,
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
I mean,
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender's office. All right, do you find probable cause? Let's see, history, please.
So pretrial recommendation. All right, Mr. Seaver, I do find probable cause. The bond's going to be set in the amount of $5,000 on this charge. Condition that you do not have any contact with the victim. So if that is where you were living, you need to find someplace else to live for a while.
That's it, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Was that it for, Mr. Sager?
Oh, yes, I'm sorry.
This is, Roy Sexton.
Okay. Mr. Sexton, you're charged with possession of methamphetamine, a third-degree felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
Oh.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
Oh.
I'll provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. I previously reviewed this affidavit. I do find probable cause. Bond will be set on the paraphernalia charge in the amount of $1,000 and the methamphetamine charge in the amount of $5,000. Okay, wait a minute. Says there's an open case that he's out on bond on.
See.
From 2 days ago.
We may just not have it built in here then. If there's an open case, we would ask for his bond to be revoked in that case, Your Honor.
What's the open case?
What's the open case?
Yep.
That's the case number. Yeah, because we don't have it in our system yet, so it's just.
Pretrial's got it. Maybe see if they can get the case number.
Didn't he have to be already out on bond on that case?
I think he was out and then he's picked up these.
It says he bonded out on a meth para 2 days ago.
This is from yesterday afternoon.
Sexton. On his birthday.
Yeah.
Only thing I see is TRs in our county.
Yeah, I don't see anything else from CCIS yet.
Everything else is closing though.
All right, pretrial, can you find a case number for us? Because nobody can find anything.
I'm looking right now, Judge. It's not built on and showcased or anything, but we do have it in Ames. We don't have the case number, but we do have the incident number. It's 2500477779.
You can't do nothing with that.
You do nothing without a case number.
Yeah, case number, division.
And if it was from 2 days ago, it should be billed.
Well, it's a holiday.
There was no bill. There was no bill.
It was no bill.
Oh, well, it would still be billed.
Unless it's done in this county.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can think of.
That's the only thing I can think of is if was it in Polk County or?
Oh.
Because that would say. I mean, unless it was Sunday. It should be billed.
There was no bill. That's like the other one. I didn't get time enough to get home in time enough. They arrested me on the side of the road. I was walking up to the house.
Okay, well, we're still trying to track down and figure it out.
That's why they got proper cause to pick me back up again. I ain't had time enough to get home, make it home.
I'll look into it.
All right, well, let's leave the bond set on this, what it is, and then if it turns out if there's something else, then
The state can file a motion.
file a motion.
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Okay, pre-trial release?
you've
been given bonds.
You have bonds.
Okay.
Okay, so I can't guarantee that they won't file a motion if that other case number comes up, but for now,
If it pops up there.
you're good to go on your bond.
So I can get out on bond here?
Yeah, you can bond out. Next is Marvin Cillian.
Oh. So I'm already, what you gonna take Bill's money and get a comment? Can they,
All right, Mr. Cillian, you're charged for leaving a crash, leaving the scene of a crash involving damage to property. And that is a second degree misdemeanor. Is that the only charge for him? All right. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
All right, I will provisionally appoint the Office of the Public Defender. I previously reviewed this affidavit and found probable cause. Your bond is set at $1,000. And that's it. There's no conditions. Thank you.
The last one, Your Honor, is Robert Wilson.
Thank you. Mr. Wilson, you're charged with domestic violence, battery, a first degree misdemeanor. Do you have an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I will provisionally appoint the public defender's office. Let me look at this. Get a public defender for right now.
Oh, yeah, my,
Hang on, I gotta read your probable cause. Give me a second.
yes, ma'am. Granddaughter, man.
All right, I did find probable cause. The location of 107 3rd Street South, is that where you're still gonna be living?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna be there until on the 3rd, and then I'm gonna leave. I was hipping my daughter out.
Who's Kiara to you?
Ma'am,
Who is Kiara? Is that your
that's
daughter's?
my grandbaby. No, that's my grandbaby.
Okay. All right. All right, have we had any contact with the victim? Pre-trial?
Ma'am,
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm asking for. Okay. All right, having no contact from victim. Typically, it's you're not to have any contact with them. I'm not sure if you can find a place to stay for the next, until you can move out officially, but you need to have no contact for the time being. Your bond will be set at $5,000. If something happens, if your daughter or Carrie has some input and makes contact with anybody, the public defender's office can file a motion. Okay.
She probably at work.
Okay, well, yeah, she didn't respond to anyone's phone call. That's why we don't know what their position is right now, but if her position changes, public defender's office can file a motion for you to be able to return there, but for right now, if you bond out, do not return there, okay?
Ma'am,
You gotta bond out.
I got the
If you bond out, do not return to that location.
Oh, I have to go and get my clothes. It'll be okay? And I can
You
leave?
can go one time with a
Yes, ma'am.
police officer escort. One time, but you have to take a police escort with you to
Yes,
get
ma'am.
your things, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
That's my.
thank you.
That's everybody at Central, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Did
Did they never log in?
They never log in, and they're both no bond, so they're there.
All right, just do it tomorrow.
Like I said, I can't force them.
Sounds like a plan.
It's late, man. Oh, you press the red cold button.
What?
Press the red button.
Oh, here.